Stop logging into your Proxmox dashboard. I'll show you how to manage your entire server and VMs just by chatting with AI. In this video, I'll show you how to set it up so you can manage your VMs using simple, plain English. There are few prerequisites. I'll be using VS Code in this video, but you can use any AI harness like Claude Code. We are using a MCP server that runs using MCP as a runtime, so you would be installing the MCP on your machine. Root access to your Proxmox server, MCP server downloaded from link below. Let's give AI the power of managing your VM. To allow secure access to the Proxmox server without hard coding the password, we will create a dedicated user and API token. Navigate to Data Center, Permissions, and then Users, and create a new user. Give the username. I've created a group, so I just tag that group to the user. Add it. Now navigate to the API tokens, create a new token, select the user that we have created, and then give a token ID. I'm giving MCP token, give add. Now copy the secret and save it for later use. Now open the VS Code and give Ctrl+Shift+P or Command+Shift+P in Mac. Open user configuration. Here we can add the MCP configuration. If you have cloned the project, you can just do bun install and then include the configuration as studio like this. Or else you can run the server and then point the MCP server using the HTTP type like this. And that doesn't need a header, right? And here I've updated the Proxmox host, and let me use the AI user and the MCP token and the token that we have downloaded. That's all. After updating this, save it, and then you can click on start to see whether it is able to get all the tools. If you look at here, it has discovered 294 tools. I've given a detailed information on what each tool does in the GitHub repository. You can refer to that. Now head to the chat window and check the connection. Now, AI has access to the Proxmox server. From here, you can manage the server with plain English. However, this gives access only to the Proxmox server, not to the VMs. Follow the next steps to access the VMs. Navigate to the VM permissions and add API token permission and select the user that we have created, and then give the role. I'm selecting PVE admin, that has most of the roles that is needed for us to access, or the VM console as well. I'll select that and add it. Do the same thing on the next VM as well. Save and head to the chat and check the status of the VMs. Great. Now it is able to access the VM and its status as well. So it is also able to access the console. So one last thing that we need to do in order for our AI to execute commands onto the VM is to enable the guest agent on the VMs. So in order to do that, head over to the VMs and go to options and enable QEMU guest agent. Additionally, SSH into your console and install the guest agent and start it. Once this is completed, restart the VM to make the changes to take effect. That's all. You have the AI agent configured to manage the Proxmox server and the VMs. You can automate your VM management workflow from here. Use cases are unlimited. You can also have a scheduled agent that keeps your server updated. I've created a few agents and agent maintenance with skills. Please find the link in the description where you can get the complete repository. If you like this video, do not forget to subscribe to my channel and share this video to your friends looking for AI automation.